you catch me not responding, and I press my lips together so you don't find any.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome to a new vlog. So you guys, I'm going to Festival Mall. Funny enough, I've never been there before, so I want to vlog day. joke. Okay, yeah, so I just wanted to quickly do my intro. I'm having some sort of reaction. I don't know if it's the max, but I don't know what's going on with my face. But anyways, my driver is here, so I need to hurry up and leave. I'm wearing a maxi dress top. I can't show you guys all of that now because there's no time, okay? And I want to do and come back quickly because I'm having guests later on. Chicken. Alright, bye guys.
When we first found out, you said just a while then you'd be home. Only 10, but I know you said you were better. Now it's counting down the days, putting papers up. We were so close, but you left me alone. 06 barely even started. So much in common, too much for you to just stop. 06 barely even started. So much in common, too much for you to just stop. All I wanna say is the B word. It's all that I can muster up. And every other time that I see you, I tell myself it's not enough. Now I forget about your face, unless I think about the way I don't understand half of myself. Didn't matter, cause your body never came home, left me alone. I was only 10, so no excuses then. To pick up all the pieces, just to barely make it. I'm 24, now I'm wanting more. There's no answers in these pages, voice a little faded. 06 barely even started. So much in common, too much for you to just stop. 06 barely even started. So much in common, too much for you to just stop. All I wanna say is the B word. It's all that I can muster up. And every other time that I see you, I tell myself it's not enough.
I don't know, I think I started this vlog since, so you guys, because of how my whole filming setup or routine has been, I don't even know when it's a new vlog, to be honest. Last weekend I was just all over the place, so my head was all over the place. I didn't go out, I didn't do anything, so there was no vlog. I didn't capture anything. I was just in the house and trying to figure things out. Today is Tuesday and my birthday is on Thursday. I've been kind of MIA on Instagram. We'll explain later sharp. I'm not doing anything for my birthday, as you guys know. All I want to do basically for myself is just feel good and just love myself more like self-care and all that. So that's what I want to do. The other day I washed my hair. Today I want to go do my lashes and get my nails done. They are a huge mess. I haven't had them done. I haven't done my nails in 2 months. The last time I did my nails was like first week of December. I have press-ons that I'll be using. I'm just going to clean and prep them, and then tomorrow being Wednesday I want to do a shoot. So Yeah, shoot, meaning home shoot with my phone. Yes, exactly. That is the shoot I'm talking about. I would just do makeup, do my hair, wear what I have, and take pictures. Just something I can post on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and make sure to watch this video to the end. This is officially my birthday vlog. Period.
Listen when I told you that it's nights like this I wish you learned not to get too close to stand. Now get up, don't break down, don't try to come back now. That's right, can't come down, don't try to come back now, come back now.
Should've let you go, should've let you down. Black on black, they should notice. A little bit of compromise, just to fully load it. Just in time. Keep the door cracked, let the army in. Slowly sign the papers, get it out, turned it out. What is home? What is home? What is home? I just wanna know if you will ride when it's alright. When it's alright. If the ebb and flow of this doesn't feel quite alright. Doesn't feel I just wanna know if you will make it out alive. Make it alive. When the waves don't pick you up this time around. Should've let you go, should've let you down. Made me feel like you surrendered. Cause I feel like you're going under. Even if you fight us, there's another way. We can ride it, but it's all consuming. All consuming. I just wanna know if you will ride when it's alright. If the ebb and flow of this doesn't feel quite alright. I just wanna know if you will make it out alive. When the waves don't pick you up this time around.
I just finished taking pictures. I did press on. They're so pretty. So I'll try and make lunch, but then I have a guest on my channel today, so he'll be here anytime soon, and I want to make sure that I've cooked, I've prepped and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. This place is a mess. I'm going to start the pictures that I took. I couldn't vlog. I just want everything to be snappy because there's no time. Okay, this is my guest. Why do you giving us new props? Don't worry, next time. What's the time?
After 2 minutes now, I'm going to my house.
Sorry, okay, let me come and sit down.
After 2 minutes.
Loud.
One.
Not like you're loud, but
One.
you get what I mean.
One. Check their lifestyle. Married is in shape. I give people what you want to hear. Lebron's wife, Jesus Christ. She dresses well. But you the cast gonna feel like saying the bad bitch. Bad bitch no a cast. Bad bitch they talk on the low. Move smoothly.
Does sex on the first day change anything?
You and I know you don't know shit. You're not a bad bitch.
I think maybe.
No, Valentine has passed through. I don't know.
If you break up, you move on. Show us the next person.
Your insecurities cannot be a reason for you to be a bastard.
Oh, why will you be calling me by 1 a.m., 4 a.m.?
I know you're not sleeping. I know the people that work with me at night. I know my fellow witches are wizards.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it's
So this whole thing has an introduction.
No!
How is the food now?
The food food is still cooking, actually.
Because obviously, I'm coming to a chef's house. I said it at the beginning.
I always cook. You just miss me.
I beg.
Please, come here the video first, right?